What's going on YouTube? I'm going to show you how to fix a black screen of death. Basically where your iPod doesn't turn on. Basically the iPod doesn't turn on. Even if I'm charging it, it doesn't turn on. And I'm going to show you how to fix this. Basically what you need is your iPod. I'm doing this, as you can obviously tell, I'm doing this video about my Nano 6. Then you need to get some sort of toothbrush, some sort of dry toothbrush like this, just to make sure it's dry. Take a nice dry old toothbrush and follow what I'm going to do here. Okay, so take the charging port and you're going to do that. Then you're going to want to go. Then you're going to go. A little bit of toothpaste on there. Clean that off with your shirt, and then one more, and then one last time. See that? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to plug in the iPod to charge. Now that we clean the charging port, you're going to plug in the iPod to charge. Okay, looks like it's turning on now. What battery percentage do we got? Okay, so it doesn't look like it's holding a charge. So let it charge, because it's going to need to charge. Then turn it off. Okay, so that's a sign that the battery has been reset. How much battery power do we got? Okay, so we have none at the moment. There's definitely none. Set up the time you want on your iPod. So let's go to August 29th, 28 years ago. Let's go to 9. First of all, it's not 3 in the morning. So we want to do 9 o'clock at 9:16 p.m. Just like that. Now, the battery power that we got. Okay, so we're just going to let it charge for a while. So right now it's now holding charge, but and unplug it. Ho ho! Whoa, would you look at that? The battery is so empty. It's been dead the entire time. Look at that, low power, connect to power. Look at that, guys. The battery was dead the entire time. And your port was clogged, and that is why your iPod wasn't working. Thanks for watching. Peace out.